arrive on, so we don't have water at all, and people don't have where to sleep. Thirdly, that the Office of the Prime Minister urgently provides financial assistance to the families that have lost their dear ones and the ones that have been affected. People have bodies still stranded in the morgue because they don't have money to actually go and claim these bodies and bury them, give them a decent send-off.
As we have had UPDF and the police search teams, rescue teams, donning uniforms actually labeled fire rescue teams. They are sleeping on job. The bodies that so far are being retrieved from the river is cutters of the efforts of the locals. And even when they were called to help, one could not even dare brave the waters to help retrieve a body. So they are lacking in the skill and expertise of rescuing and even evacuating those that were trapped.
Spoken it here time and again. The Rastafarian has always raised it, and we have raised it here in Parliament, of how government is prepared. And we foretold this Parliament and the ministry that disasters are coming anytime, the landslides are going to come on the ground. Nothing has been prepared for that matter. People are only running to the situation rescue, but the intervention before that has been not taking place.
President abakungu bagiza milioni 5.5. Ekyo yakyogedde mu cabinet ekulu. Ekyokubiri tuweereza emmere mu district y'e Mbale, ekapchorwa ne Mbale City. Mbale City tugiwadde kilo za posho emitwalo 2 ate ne tubaweereza n'ebijanjaalo kilo 1,000 eyo Mbale City. Mbale district nayo tugiweereza emitwalo 2 egya posho n'omutwalo 1 ogw'ebijanjaalo. Ne kapchorwa tugiweereza emitwalo 2 egya posho n'omutwalo 1 ogw'ebijanjaalo. Ebyo byamaze dde okutuuka. Kakati district authorities oba disaster committee yegenda okulaba nga bwekola ki bwe babigabaganya, naye tubasaba obwerufu nga bakola omulimu guno.
Okunyanga Nikons twagala sente ezikola repairing roads, twagala sente okukola ku bintu ebitabimu. So mu report ye tewali ebintu nga CDC abantu baffe ebintu byonna byagenze kasooli biki era kati esaawa zino tuli staka nga members of parliament ekyokukolera abantu nti government egenda kuyamba wano ne wano. So byokulya bye bakuwa byonako oba kilo 2 oba 3 tezikuyamba, tebigenda okuyamba. Abantu baagala kuba evacuated kuba mu bitundu ebitali bimu, naye tewali sente zonna, tewali amatundubale, tewali biki. Kale tukyali bubeera government njagala kukubiriza ebeere serious n'ekintu kino ekya Mataba n'entoba